What's up, guys? We're at DC Details, Import Lifestyle. New drop is live on importlifestyle.shop. Check it out. Let's get to today's video. Are you rolling?
Yeah.
In today's video, we're gonna put a fucking pipe on my bike.
Hey guys.
So we're shooting our first YouTube video. This is kind of a tester to see how this all goes. We're building my dream bike. I have a bunch of different parts coming for it. They're on order, but the first thing we got is the exhaust. So we're gonna turn this CRF 300 into a Supermoto monster.
He says we, but he mainly means him. We're gonna watch.
True. I'm the mechanic.
I'm not the mechanic.
He's the fucking support system. And Nick is also a watcher. Open it. We're gonna open it together. Okay, we got the hanger. This is from Delcovic. It's the eBay nice cheap one. Silicone exhaust. You know, definitely don't need that.
Beautiful link pipe with
A nice pipe
bracket.
wrapped in plastic. Oh shit. Oh, that's a good rubber. Oh, they gave us stickers. Carbon fiber stickers.
What?
So it looks like
That's
it's
the point
carbon
of the
fiber.
pipe. You can customize that pipe however you want. Wow.
And they're gonna make me loosen it to fucking get the plastic off. Come on, guys. Is this the right size? Fuck! So are we going uncensored, unmonetized?
My face when
Yeah, we're gonna solely rely on our merch sales.
a fucking part requires tools to put on.
Damn. This is gonna get scratched the fuck up.
That's a nice pipe. That's a good pipe right there.
It's got a little silencer in there. Just stock exhaust.
That's usually how bike part installation videos are. You put George
Rip it out.
15 pounds, give or take.
This is a quick installation for you guys at home. That's a fashion statement, buddy. That's gonna be it. Everybody's gonna love the Donkey Kong socks.
Yeah.
A little bit of isopropyl alcohol. Yeah, well, I mean, you gotta show them how to do it right. Can't just let them burn fingerprints onto this nice chrome.
That's that. Let's hear it.
It's lunchtime.
We made it to where all great Americans eat Culver's. It's
Still got the Donkey
Yeah,
Kong
I've seen
socks.
inside Rico's colon. We wanted to bring you to Culver's and give you a little bit of a background on who we are. I'm Derek. This is Nick. And that's Rico. We all work together, and we've lived in Marysville, Ohio, for most of our lives. How did we meet?
This guy came to school dressed as a fridge one day, and
His first day of school in Marysville, he came dressed as a fridge, and we looked at him, and we're like, yeah, that's our best friend.
I've known Derek for 12 years now.
We're not that old, to clarify. We just wanted this channel to be like where we do boy shit, you know. Rico and I are fathers, so shit gets harder to do. We're getting older, so
These videos are more for us than anybody else. If you like them, cool. We appreciate you. All the love from us.
we want something to look back on so we can see our memories when we lose our memory, when we're old.
We've all endured a lot of head trauma, physical and mental head trauma.
But yeah, we want to post riding bikes, cars, guns, all the boy shit. So you have to tell us what our name should be, because we don't have a name, and what we should do. Comment, make a comment. The
Jizz Boys. Name suggestions?
Well, with our bellies full, now we're gonna go hit the lot and try to do some stints. That's a nice pipe, and this is a nice pipe. Back to the headquarters. Take the picture, Brad. Brad, come on, the flies are eating me up. That's all I got for today, boys. Make sure to like and subscribe. Check out importlifestyle.shop for our merchandise. This is our first video, so we hope you like it. More to come. Sharing our memories with you.